Hello and welcome. It's Chilli Cube and I'm here on Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I've just finished a painting that I did a swipe with a burnt umber for the background. So I'm going to try and swipe because I get asked all the time, can you swipe in any other colour than black or white? And of course the answer is yes. So today I'm going to actually do a swipe on this canvas in cool red. So I want you to see how I make up my swipe colour, basically just so you get the idea. So I don't measure anything on a scale, it's all by eye. So if I put that amount of paint in, which is about 1 centimetre of paint, and I'm going to add for my swipe colour, I'm going to add on this particular one just Floetrol only. So I'm going to try the cool red and Floetrol today as my swipe colour. So I decant the Floetrol into a smaller container. So use any of your plastic bottles that have got a squeezy nozzle. You know, just make sure you reuse them because they're great bottles and they normally cost about $5 or $6 just to buy this as a squeezy bottle, so reuse them. So I'm going to just add, okay, that's not coming out, 50%, so it's about 50% paint, 50% Floetrol. So and it's best to start off with 50%, 50-50, because if you need any more, then you can add it, and if any less, then you just add a bit more paint. But usually 50-50 is quite thick for Floetrol and paint, so I like to give it a real good mix. So that's the Global Impasto. See, that's really, that is probably a good, if you wanted to blow that like a bloom effect, like a pseudo bloom, but I want to do a swipe, so I'm going to just put some more Floetrol. So it's better if you just add it bit by bit, so you can, you know, keep stirring and get your paint consistency. So I'm going to go with that because that looks fine to me. So just make sure you scrape it right around the edges and it's good to go. So I'll move all this out of the way. So remember, I'm just going to swipe in this, so it's not the, you know, what you might get really fantastic sales with Amsterdam paint and Floetrol. This is just our gorgeous Aussie global paint. So I am using, there's my gecko, he agrees. I'm using sand again for my base instead of white. I've got a nice big recyclable cup made of the sand with my normal pouring medium, which it's in the description in the drop down box. Oh, maybe I'll just try this. Actually, this is the sand mixed with gold, so it just give it a little bit more of a, you can see the contrast there. So that's just the sand and the gold with gold mixed, so it's got a really nice shimmer in there. So I'm just trying the red now and seeing how just a swipe, simple swipe. Might need a little bit thinner because it's quite thick. So got my soft plastic file divider. Just love these for swiping because they can be wiped. Oh, I've got a gooby bit in there. Let's see. Wow, there you go. Look at those cells come up straight away. Completely different cells to when I've just swiped with the Amsterdam, but nevertheless they're definitely nice cells. They're just like little champagne cells. So I'll keep going with this and see what we get. Gone and missed bits, but that's okay because it's an abstract painting, so I'm going to turn it around. That is gorgeous actually, that's really lovely. When I've done this side, I will bring the camera down to show you. So really make sure you wipe off your plastic file divider just so as you have, you're not sort of you're mudding up the paint. So I'm just going to add a bit more of the red to swipe back the opposite way now. So you can absolutely swipe with any colour you choose. It doesn't have to be black, white or navy. So it can be anything. Now look how deliciously gorgeous this background is for this. It's reminding me it's Christmassy now, so I might have to do something Christmassy on this. Yeah, the geckos are green. How about that? Rightio, that's beautiful. That's a really nice tiny champagne cells. Put a hit over with my gun. Let me just see if I give a swipe in this area here where there is none of the red, and just try, I just want to do a test to see what the Amsterdam paint and Floetrol, you know, it obviously makes a difference. I think they're just different cells. So that's the Amsterdam paint and Floetrol mixed exactly the same as what I did with the other one. So I'll just see what the difference is, if any. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, nice little tiny cells, the same, but definitely more, maybe it's because of the colour black or what. Sort of stands out is what I'm saying. I suppose the red probably doesn't stand out as well as the black. Look at that. That's actually nice to do some different swipes. I think I might do that. Let's mix it up a bit and do some intermittent. But I just wanted to show you that if you haven't got the Amsterdam paints and you've only got the global, or I'm not sure if you're in the US or UK, what I know that you can get all of the same paints we can get now. So just wanted to bring you down to have a look at these cells. You can see there is definitely cells, but they're a different, absolutely different cell to the one with Amsterdam paint for whatever reason. See, that's the black with the Amsterdam in it, and these are the red. They're like little champagne bubbles, but they both look equally as nice, and I am really loving that. I mean, I could absolutely leave that like that. So if you're happy to do a piece of abstract art and this is all you require on it, then, you know, don't watch anymore because you might be upset with what I do to it. So I'll carry on now. Rightio, next exciting episode. I took my gloves off. I didn't want to, my hands got sweaty. I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm going to put a bit more of this. This is the sand with the metallic gold in it. I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to sort of just do the composition. There, and a bit there. I'm going to put a little bit of the gold. This is just metallic gold. No, actually, this is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. It's my champagne. What was I thinking? I have a little bit of Berry Delicious here. It looks like really dark grape, a dark black cherry. So I'm going to put a bit of that in too. Why not? Did the wiggles, wiggles and wiggles. Wiggly woo. Rightio. A bit of that and a bit of the other. Now, this will make your pop socks. You pop socks. Your socks pop. This is the lovely turquoise, and I have put a bit of the iridescent medium in it to give it sparkle. So they're really, because I've put the iridescent medium in, they're really all metallic paints. It's kind of making your own. That's gorgeous. I might just give it a, I might just put a bit more paint up that end. Just the red. And some swirly things in there. Why not? A bit more of the turquoise, that's gorgeous. But I think I should have done that turquoise slightly thicker. And whiz over it now with my heat wand. To just add a bit of the white to, I'm going to see, now this is the Amsterdam white with Floetrol added. That's not going to come out, that's all bunged up. Oh, you just normally stick a skewer. I just want to try a bit to see if that blows out nicely. I don't know whether I want to blow it out or balloon it. That looks lovely. I think I might try ballooning because it kind of gives it the same effect as a bloom. Let's try this. So just grab your Jilly's Balloon Magic. So there you go. Grab the balloon by the nipple end of it and just push it quite firmly. If the paint consistent, oh look at that. Now I need something to transfer that onto. Quick. I have these just little MDF squares here. So I'm going to transfer the balloon kisses onto the squares, onto this square, then I'll show you at the end. Just that I can't hold it up, so it's just the balloon kiss there onto my MDF and wipe it in between. See, can you hear it making the kissing sound? Hence why it's called a balloon kiss, because it doesn't smash, 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 it goes kiss. See, there you go. Kiss, kiss and kiss. Wow, that's pretty nice, hey? Pretty nice. I'll show you my thingy when I've finished. That might be become more defined if I leave it to dry off a bit and the paint sinks into the canvas, and then I come back and give it some small balloon kisses, which is this. So I just come back. I mean, it's probably fine to do it now, but sometimes it gives you more defined when your paint's dried off a bit. Just put those kisses on that MDF. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Ooh. There you go. It kind of looks like a nice posing scent. It's got the nice background. I think that it doesn't need too much in here because it's got so much busyness going on around in the background. But I think that it would be nice with a few lead offs like that. It just softens it, I believe. Definitely makes it look 3D, like they are floating. Yeah, it makes the background look like, or like these little blooms are floating away. So this is just a skewer. Just go for it. Just do whatever your heart desires. You can get the basic ideas off acrylic artists, but in the end, you know, make it your own and do your own twist into it. I think that's lovely. I think that turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that, guys. I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm actually not gonna do any more to it. It's pretty good as it is, because I love that background. So I really hope that you enjoyed a little bit something different today with that particular composition and background. And I will be here tomorrow trying to rack my brains of something to try for tomorrow. Oh, before I go, I wanted to just show you a couple of my balls, my Christmas balls. I put a coat of resin. It was I just used my glove and coated a bit of resin on these, and I put a bit of bling on this one. So just got to get my string on them, but they turned out pretty nice. So if you haven't seen the video I will try and remember to put the link in the first comment. If I didn't and you do want to see it, please make a comment to me and I will definitely put the link. No. Oh, what am I doing? I never showed you. I know that you'll say to me, I'm not too keen on this one. Don't know why. Maybe I needed more of red background. Not too keen on that, but I'll let that dry and I'll redo it with something. But that's very nice, so I hope you like that. And until tomorrow, my lovely people, please stay safe and bye for now.